What I thought was very interesting, though, was that because bamboo is hollow, and when that air inside the bamboo shoots are heating up, and the skins of the bamboo starts to crack, it I guess it sounds like gunfire going off. And when I read that, I thought, well, look at all the bamboo scaffolding around 8 buildings going 31 stories up in the air each, and all that bamboo scaffolding just letting loose, popping with hot air. It had to sound like a scene out of Apocalypse Now that went on for 43 hours.